Introducing the 4.5-gallon RinseKit PRO PAK. We don't know how far you'll travel, but it fits right in. Featuring a 1-inch thick layer of insulation, weatherproof exterior, Molle webbing, backpack straps for easy carrying, and battery-powered pressurization. We don't know where you'll go, but we're ready to go along with you. We don't know where the trail will lead, but we've got your back on the journey. What you cook is up to you, but leave the washing to us. We hope you'll experience new things, but most importantly, with good people. We won't ask you how you got that dirty, but we know how to clean you up. We know how much the outdoors means to us, and hope to break down the hurdles that stop you from experiencing them yourselves. Wash, rinse, sanitize, and shower anywhere, anytime.